vegan bottle gourd curry stew, or call it vegetarian delicious curry stew, which goes with the white rice, flavorful deliciousness in the vegetables curry stew. Take 1 bottle gourd whole for this recipe, 1 yellow potato, 2 tomatoes, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half of the yellow onion, salt, some cumin, some black seed, some red chili powder, and turmeric. Under 1 hour whole meal. The rice will be cooking in our rice cooker. Let's start with the olive oil first thing, which goes in the pan, and the pan is on the high flame. Half cup of the olive oil goes in here. Half of the onion, so you make small cubes of the onion so it gets easy for our processor. You can definitely fine dice this onion. Garlic, let's process this. In just a couple minutes we have our fine diced onion and fine diced fresh garlic, and here it goes in here. Stir fry the onion at least for 5 minutes. The same processor, we will add 2 fresh tomatoes. Same thing, make cubes out of it. Let's process the tomatoes. So our fresh tomatoes are being processed. Easy. Let's season our onion. Half tablespoon of the quarter to half tablespoon of the turmeric, half tablespoon of the salt, 1 tablespoon of the black seed, half tablespoon of the cumin powder, half tablespoon of the, or quarter to half, depends how spicy you want. These are all the dry ingredients we need for our delicious vegetarian bottle gourd curry. It is so aromatic at this time right now. Already fry roast it for another couple minutes after adding the dry seasoning. It's been 6 to 7 minutes. We have been stir frying our onions. Here are our fresh tomatoes. They go in here. So we have perfectly formed the base of our delicious vegan bottle gourd curry stew. We will cook this at least for 5 minutes, and then we'll be adding our delicious bottle gourd in here with the potato. Potato will provide the starchiness, and bottle gourd by itself is so delicious vegetable. So let's peel this and chop it into cubes. Just giving you an idea, these are the cubes you need after peeling and chopping. This size cubes are enough for it. Look at this beauty of the bottle gourd. It's completely done. Straight add in here. Let's give it a mix. Look at this. You just need these kind of chopped potatoes, add it in here. At this time, you can check the taste of your curry stew. You can add salt if you want more pepper, do that, but I have given you the exact delicious recipe with the ingredients. There you go. We will add 1 cup of water in here. Mix everything up so they all cook evenly. We will put it onto medium flame. After mixing, cover it with the lid and just let it cook at least for 20 minutes on the medium flame. Let's put this on the top. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check on our delicious bottle gourd vegetable curry. Wow, wow, look at this jar. It means they are roasted and are in the curry thick stew. So how we gonna know our bottle gourd is ready? The bottle gourd, once it's transparent, it's ready. When it's not transparent and it's like a solid color, it's not done yet. Cilantro, add this, and just for the color pop, 2 of the green chilies. Give it a mix, put it on simmer now. It's looking so good already. Cover it, leave it for 10 more minutes. In the meantime, let's dish out our rice. It's been altogether 25 minutes since we added our bottle gourd in the curry sauce. So here you go. This is completely done. We have nothing to do. Just turn off your stove. Let me give you a sneak peek. There you go. Awesomely done. Our delicious white rice is right here. Oh my god, if it was not hot, I would have taken the whole bite. And you can too. Let's do a taste test. So there you go. This combo is the bomb. My god, this is so flavorful. Easy to cook, under 40 minutes. Whole meal, vegetarian, call it vegan, whatever you prefer, man. It's fulfilling. Delicious chef's recipe. Bite it, it melts in your mouth. It's like a jello. And the curry sauce has so much flavor. Do add black seed in there, it gives the whole flavor. Enjoy this recipe, make this recipe, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Easy, simple, vegetarian, vegan, bottle gourd curry. Easy, right? I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video. I'm eating with the hand, you can definitely eat with the spoon. This is the hungry bite. Look at this. Yum.